Welcome back. I'm the Dr. Bob Lee from 107.5 WBLS in Bronx Nets Open. Our next guest is the founder and president of a facility called Formé Medical Center and Urgent Care. And she joins us today to provide insight on the affordable healthcare services for her center. She's providing that service for her members of the Hispanic community of White Plains. So please welcome to the show, Gina Cappelli. Hey.
Hey.
How are you, Gina?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. It's a beautiful day.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what inspired you to create Formé Rehabilitation Incorporated?
So I started the company actually back in 1998, and it was a physical therapy center. I had two centers.
Yeah.
And as the healthcare started to evolve and insurance companies started squeezing the doctors started to open their own centers. So I have something called an Article 28 Diagnostic and Treatment Center license. So it allows me to do everything. I always wanted to open an urgent care. And so as business started to diminish because of doctors opening their sites, I decided to open a medical center. So I opened Formé Medical Center in April 2014. It's almost 7 years this April.
And I hear it's very successful. You got especially during the pandemic, you had long lines out there, huh?
Yeah, you had to be creative. During the pandemic, we closed our shop, just like most companies did. We were doing telemedicine, but as you know, our patients aren't very technically, a little technically challenged. So having telemedicine was a little difficult. So we had to be creative, and we had to find the need. We realized what the need was, and we had to fit the company for the need.
Yeah. What are some of the other services that you have for your patients?
Well, we have walk-in urgent care. We have primary care, GYN, podiatry, neurology, cardiology, and now we have a full COVID center as well.
There you go. Excellent. And so here you go. 7 years. Wow. You've come a long way. Looking back, what are some of the toughest things the toughest challenges that you had to go through?
I think most of our challenges was probably with the insurance companies. Insurance companies treat you like you're a peon. We're not a big hospital, we're a small business, and they treat you like you're a small business. So that's where we really struggled. We found our niche with the community that is underserved and does not have health care. And we've become the resource center for these patients.
Yeah. And that's great. We need services and people like you in our community to help. And you serve mostly women?
No, we're across the board, but we're 85% Hispanic. Okay. 15% non-Hispanic.
Mm-hmm. What do you have coming up that we should know about? Anything special?
Well, with the pandemic, with the pandemic, we were able to become creative, and our business tripled in size. Maria and I have been looking for the next location to put a Formé, and we realized that Yonkers, the downtown Yonkers area, is the exact place that we need to be. So we're in the process of negotiating a lease right now, and we'll be hopefully down in the downtown portion of Yonkers by the summer, we're hoping.
Oh, we need to bring some Bronx cameras up there to document everything that you're doing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's really no place for the people to go. There's a urgent care site probably about a few miles away in Getty Square. But besides that, it's the hospital. So we'll pretty much be the only show in town to help these, everyone down there.
Gina, how did you meet up with Maria Trousseau?
Oh, my partner. Maria was as the executive director at Scarsdale Medical Group for 26 years. And ironically, her son was my marketing. He was working with me in marketing when I was first opening Formé Medical Center. And I knew Maria because I used to solicit business from her doctors. They had, 50 doctors. So I used to solicit business from them. So I knew her, but we didn't really know each other, if you know what I'm saying. And then when her son told me that she was looking to do something else and leave, I was the first one to reach out to her and say, I have the center. I know what you want to do. Let's do it together. So it's almost that expression, if you build it, they will come. I always say that. I built it, she came, and we're a dynamic duo together.
There you go. The 1-2 punch.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
All right. So that's great. You guys are going to be doing some great things. And I'm going to try to make sure, we'll see what we can do to bring our BronxNet cameras out there to document some of the things that you're doing in the future. And then you always got to come back and share, give us some updates, okay?
We definitely will. We definitely will. We're very excited about the possibilities in the future for Formé.
Yeah. So Gina, tell us more about the membership that you have there.
So for $1 a day, they get unlimited urgent care services. For $2 a day, they get unlimited urgent care and primary care services. So we are a full service center for people that are uninsured.
That's a fantastic membership package right there.
It really is. And we've negotiated with all specialists outside of our facility, so we get them the lowest price possible for other specialty work.
Listen, Gina, where can we go to get more information about your organization? What
Well,
you guys are doing?
you can go to the website at www.formamedicalcenter.com. You can also call us at 914-723-4900, or you can come visit us at 7-11 South Broadway in White Plains.
And the name of your organization again is?
Formé Medical Center, the affordable center for all.
With Gina Cappelli. Thank
Yes.
you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right. We'll take a break. We've got more coming up next on Open.